Hello guys, me Miles, I'm Storman. Um, World breaking news that, this thing has been going on, cough cough. You might have gotten sick. It's a must-see video. And, I mean, I think that if you guys, any questions you want to ask me, do that. If I get more than 1,000 subscribers, I get to go live. If you want to see me live, keep subscribing. But it's just amazing what the world has done with the cough cough. The cough cough is just super duper containing. You can't say the actual word on YouTube, as you know, so I'm saying cough cough. Anywho, I don't like it, and neither should any of you guys like it. So, yeah, I mean, you don't like it. I know you don't, but this is pretty much life now. Well, I just have a few tips, and make sure whoever is watching this right now, yeah, whoever is, that they are wearing these things. So, not wearing and doing these things. Right? So number one, make sure you wear a mask. Number two, make sure that you use hand sanitizer when you get back from anything or if you go to anything. And that's about it. Oh well guys, see you next time. Bye.